Check the video description and first comment for upcoming workshop and course dates. Boost your exercise willpower with the Yuen method. This technique removes physical, emotional, mental, ancestral, karmic, and spiritual blocks to consistent exercise. Clearing these obstacles strengthens the energy needed to act and maintain a healthy exercise routine. I strengthen your midline, CNS, spine, sacrum, tailbone, and coccyx. I connect and integrate all of these in every possible combination. I boost your body's physical and vital energy. I eliminate fatigue, chronic exhaustion, and weakness that hinder exercise motivation. Zero hands, infinite, 100% of the time with infinite time. I strengthen your muscles and bones, removing weakness and pain that limit movement. I enhance your muscular system for smooth, effortless physical activity. I boost your physical endurance to sustain continuous exercise. I eliminate weaknesses that surface during post-exercise recovery. I strengthen your cardiovascular and respiratory systems for efficient exercise. I fortify and balance your respiratory, reproductive, and digestive systems. I remove weaknesses related to breathlessness, early fatigue, and poor oxygenation. I release memories of forced labor from this life and others for you and your lineage. I remove mental blocks causing lack of motivation to exercise. I strengthen your mind to view exercise as positive, desirable, and enjoyable. I erase all the mindset, programming, and influences that make you see exercise as a burden, duty, or obligation. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time in finite time. I'll break down and eliminate all limiting beliefs. No time, too hard, not for me, don't like it. I'll erase their cumulative effect to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time in finite time. Powerfully replace these beliefs with empowering affirmations. Strength to enjoy exercise. Strength to feel capable of staying active. Strength to generate motivation for movement. Strength to seek and find pleasure in moving your body. Strength to practice the exercise you love most, enjoy, and that renews your energy. I strengthen self-discipline, eliminating any weakness that hinders a consistent routine. I strengthen your ability to overcome laziness. I strengthen your willpower. I remove distractions, negative self-talk, and urges to procrastinate. From zero to infinity, 100% of the time within finite bounds. I boost your ability to release frustration, apathy, fear of failure, and anxiety. Powerfully breaking barriers that hinder starting and maintaining an exercise routine. At 100% with limitless potential, all the time within finite bounds. Strengthening the mind-body connection, making exercise a holistic expression of vitality. I'll erase any disconnect causing resistance to caring for your body. I enhance vital energy and spiritual connection with exercise as self-care. I'll remove beliefs linking exercise to struggle, burden, effort, sacrifice, and punishment. And strongly replace these associations with ideas that exercise It's how you love your body, nourish your mind, and boost energy. Strengthen your spirit to support your body in staying active. I'll clear mental blocks and external influences, weakening your will. Resetting all effects to zero infinitely 100% of the time. Erasing ancestral patterns of inactivity and inherited issues affecting exercise. Empowering ancestral energy to free body and mind from limitations. Removing loyalties to family with poor health habits or limiting beliefs. Freeing your energy to create your own unique, healthy habits. Strong ancestral liberation for physical well-being. Powerful new vitality pattern passed to descendants. Strength for movement in life, both physical and non-physical movement. Removing karma of body abuse or neglect from past lives. Direct, indirect, and partially indirect karmas. Strengthen your body's vital energy, flexibility, and agility. Clearing karmic blocks hindering discipline and willpower. Neutralizing karmic debts that impede physical action. Aligning with positive karma for bodily care and health. Eliminating negative programming about physical activity. I erase memories of physical setbacks that hindered exercise. I strengthen your focus. I remove distractions from negative influences. I eliminate procrastination from modern overstimulation. I remove cultural or social barriers to exercise. I erase the belief that exercise isn't a priority. I reinforce valuing physical health as essential. I empower you to care for your body. I remove self-concept issues blocking physical activity. I strengthen your positive self-image. I boost motivation for self-care. I enhance self-love and healthy self-esteem. I align body, mind, and spirit for exercise harmony. We strengthen internal and external dynamics. All geometries at 100% infinite potential always. I erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity. I reset your system for enthusiastic exercise. How do you feel now? Any different?